so this door card's in pretty bad condition. Soft as. Might have to see if I can find another door card for that. Or maybe some of that and make one. I think that might be the go. I've grabbed myself with a 1200 by 900 by 3mm MDF, which is basically the same shit that this is made out of. So let's see if we can't trace one of them onto one of them and make it a little bit better than what it is. Who knows, I might do a pretty good job of stuffing it up. Pretty damn good to me. Oh, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's come up quite well. The making card in place. It fits, holes are in the right spots. All the pins line up with their holes, just as they should do. I'm not going to force it on because I'll break it because I haven't cut that out properly yet. Everything actually fits. All the screw holes line up. Nothing didn't line up, which I'm amazed about. I've got to get yourself some foam or something to back this with. Yeah, throw it all together. That's the sort of job I usually cock up. This trim just is too manky and just looks shit to me, to be honest. So I'm thinking I might look for another material to cover this in, which will probably mean I'll end up doing 4 complete door cards. But that's okay. I don't think I could be bothered cleaning that up. Okay, it's a few days later and been to the shops and had a look and found a bit of stuff that I think might do the job. This leather look vinyl for the body of the door card, and the top panel I'm thinking in this black. I think this colour scheme is going to look pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you think. So in the meantime, the final part for the 1FZFE has turned up, so let's fit that. Right, so we'll just drop a bit of clean oil on that seal. There we go. Put a couple of hoses on there. I think that's it. And this thing's going to be ready to insert back into that hole.